How to find recently added friends on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can find recently added friends on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to find recently added friends on Snapchat, all you have to do is, let's just say that whenever you open the Snapchat application, you've happened to add a few friends just recently, and if you want to find those recently added friends, it's actually quite simple to do so. Just tap the search option that you can find from the very top of the screen, and here you should be able to see added friends and so on. And if you scroll down over here, you should be able to find a list of recently added friends. Now if you don't find it, you can also come to this page over here and you should be able to see add friends section, and under add friends also you should be able to find all of these recently added. So you can tap the three dots and go to recently added, and you should be able to see recently added friends. This way you'll be able to see the recently added friends on Snapchat. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.